the clinician said there's still parang a mass growing. So they want to know if the tumor recurred. But what happened is this showed up. So this is granulation tissue. So can you describe to me what you see here?
First mark, fibrosis.
Okay.
Presence of leukocytes.
Those parang circular things. What are these structures? Let's switch it to high power. Hindi pa kayo sanay. Sige. There. Beautiful. So,
Those are granuloma.
granuloma. Naku granuloma is different from granulation tissue. Halika na. So what are the ones in that square? What structure is that? Ito. In some, it contains red cells.
Blood vessels.
Okay, blood vessels. Very good. And what do you call that? The term that you use, you see proliferation of small. Okay, so this is what you call angiogenesis in the formation of granulation tissue. Okay, and then as you said, you see this your lymphocytes, right? And your fibroblasts, no, the spindle shape. This is what you call, you look at the air. Sige, thank you. Jerry. Jerry, right? Jeremy. Okay, thank you. This is what, sino nag-describe ng edema kanina? Si Daniel? Daniel, okay. Look at this. When you say edema, no, there is parang clearing of the interstitial space, no, because of there's parang loosening up of the interstitial space. So here, but the three components that we want you to appreciate here in granulation tissue is the marked proliferation of these small blood vessels, which you term angiogenesis.